Good morning. Just a quick video today. Every day I wake up full of a spirit, full of cheer. I swear, y'all, it's natural. It just comes to me. First of all, it's gratitude. I believe it's gratitude. I get to wake up and I get to talk to 20 people. 20 people trust me with their morning spirit, their morning inspiration, their morning personal development, their morning professional development. Now, 20 may not sound like a lot, but 20 is a lot. Now, I hope to grow this call to 50 by March. I think I can do it. I know I can do it. Let me not think. I know I can do it. I know we can do it. Okay. Because this is a we thing. Again, we found where we are. But 20 people, y'all, entrust me to wake up. You know what? I just simply, I start out with a quote from this book. And thank you to the authors of this book, because this book makes it simple for me. Before I used to do some internet research and all that and get something going. But every morning I wake up, y'all, without an alarm clock. I wake up without an alarm clock. I wake up full of joy, full of excitement. I wake up dancing. I wake up smiling. If y'all don't feel like that, y'all need to connect with me. Connect with me. Connect with my group. We have the formula. We have the equation. We have the math. We have the formula. We have the blueprint. Connect with us, y'all. Y'all gotta wake up like this. I can't be the only one. I can't be the only one. Man. I can't be the only one. I can't.